Hey guys, this is Nick with Carver Mopar for Life. Actually going to do a quick video about a couple topics and also a car show that I'm headed to. I haven't driven the Challenger in a while, so I'm going to go ahead and take the Challenger out and give it a warm up the fluids and check out some cool cars. But wanted to go ahead and introduce the video. This video is going to be about three topics. One is the Barrett-Jackson C8 ZO6 auction price. Second one's going to be about the ZO6 427 being discontinued, and the last topic is going to be about, I should say, the Dodge announcement for the, for ambassador for Dodge. So those three topics I want to touch on real fast, and then after that it's going to be on to the car show. All right, guys. The first topic is going to be the Barrett-Jackson auction. Watched it yesterday with the C8 ZO6 auction. I think it was $3,600,000. Crazy price. Beautiful car, loved it. Definitely, I think it's Chevrolet got a hit on their hands. The downfall is obviously with the price of that car, dealerships obviously gonna go ahead and take that as an advantage for them and then mark up the car. Probably my guess is anywhere from $140,000 to probably $200,000, if not more, for a C8 ZO6. So that's the unfortunate situation, I think, because of the demand and excitement for the car. That unfortunately, if you're lucky enough to get it, you're going to pay for it and pay a lot. So just get a heads up on that part. Love the car, good job. I think it was a good fundraiser for the military, and I enjoyed Barrett-Jackson. It was pretty cool to watch all the beautiful cars. I wish I had $3.6 million, but like I said, I think Rick Kendrick, I could be wrong on that, actually bought the car. So congratulations to him. Good fundraiser for the vets, and hopefully, like I said, we'll see when it comes out, but I think it's gonna. All right, guys, second topic I want to talk about is going to be about the 427 being discontinued. I'm a little bit sad about it, to be honest with you. I know obviously the 427 is probably not going to fit in the new C8, but I'm a little bit sad because, like I said, I had experience. I think it's a great small block motor. I mean, pretty outstanding 505 horsepower, and I believe it was 475 pounds-feet of torque or something like that for the ratings of it back in 2006 when it was unveiled. Of course, we all both know, and I have experience. I did the replace the heads on my 427. I did a cam, and the car is super awesome. But also, we know that the weakness, and I think Chevrolet really only admitted to 2008, 2011 was the heads and the valve jobs in particular. So I actually redid mine. Still didn't have 100% faith in them. It was a 2013, so I also heard the bearings may have been an issue too. So I sold the car. But I love the 427. I thought it was awesome. I like the fact that, you know, old school 427, especially on my 427 convertible, had the 427 emblems on the hood. It was super awesome. So hate to see it go. It was definitely a legend, and guess GM has decided to move on from it. All right, guys, on to the next topic. All right, last topic is being an ambassador for Dodge. They pay you $150,000, and you go pretty much be the brand for the, or I should say, should be the cheerleader for the brand. I think that's pretty awesome, guys. Please sign up for it if you haven't done so already. I think I've done it 3 times already. I think that's pretty cool. Actually, I think the biggest thing is they actually give you a Hellcat, and you keep your day job. So, I mean, how cool is that? I would love to Dodge, if you're hearing, you know, if you're listening, sign me up. I always have a Scat Pack Wild Body Challenger. Would love to have a Hellcat. Would love to go to different events. Actually, I probably would do it for free for the Hellcat, and you can keep the $150,000. So, hey, sign me up. All right, guys, you know how we do it. Let's go ahead and get a cold start out of this piece. Let's go ahead and awaken the 392. Yep, I think he's angry. Let's go ahead and take it for a ride. I think it's ready. All right, peace out, guys. Well, guys, the Challenger favorite place, the gas station. Let's go ahead and put some gas in this bad boy. All right.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never